Sapa UZAMXOLO gcwala imifula. Sapa UZAMXOLO kuwa izindlu. Kanti kwenzakala Sapa UZAMXOLO gcwala imifula. Sapa UZAMXOLO kuwa izindlu. Kanti kwenzakala
Okay, sure. Sengalala ngififiyela ngibuka simo sendlu ya. Sengathilika noma kunini phela kumele isigcoke. Phela nalo UZAMXOLO ngomdilika phasawukhawula. Sesahlale sithi buda UZAMXOLO uzohamba nini. Ngobe sesahlale ngekwesabala endlini tethu. Nemifula igcwele manzi ahamba phezu kweblohola. Phepha nemaswatila mahle imfula igcwele ngwe. Nemigwaco iyashelela khambeki kugcwele tha.
Sapa UZAMXOLO gcwala imifula. Sapa UZAMXOLO kuwa izindlu. Kanti kwenzakala Sapa UZAMXOLO gcwala imifula. Sapa UZAMXOLO kuwa izindlu. Kanti kwenzakala
Yeah, MLAICER, my laser. Yeah, too much of a thing is dangerous. We need precipitation, but a lot of it causes havoc. Some pass on in floods, remain strong like the rock. Now I'm adding my flows. I hope your ship will float like that of Noah. Balimi bayating imvula, labanye yamba super. Some will love my verse and others will hate. It's not about what others think. Live your life the way you like. Houses fall due to rain. It's not wrong to start over. Don't allow the devil to take over. In every chaos there's an opportunity. The weight on your shoulders might be heavy. Put the energy and face the enemy. Sometimes to get things done you gotta be crazy. Yeah.
Sapa UZAMXOLO gcwala imifula. Sapa UZAMXOLO kuwa izindlu. Kanti kwenzakala Sapa UZAMXOLO gcwala imifula. Sapa UZAMXOLO kuwa izindlu. Kanti kwenzakala Gcwala imifula. Kwenzakala kuwa izindlu.